Hello guys, this is Ethan from JingleMining, and today is April 15th, 2025, and we will discuss how individuals with access to low cost or even free electricity can generate their own mining income by utilizing this power resource, right? Firstly, our electricity cost standard sets low price electricity at 5 cents per kilowatt hour, and the free electricity naturally comes at zero cost, right? And personally, I would recommend purchasing a large quantity of second-hand mid to low hash rate Bitcoin mining machines on the market, as the electricity cost for Bitcoin mining can be significant, And let's take the JingleMiner S19K Pro as an example. The standard hash rate of S19K Pro is 120T. And considering the current network difficulty, 1 T of hash rate can produce around 0.00000056 Bitcoin. Therefore, a single S19K Pro machine can generate about 0.0000672 Bitcoin per day. And based on the current Bitcoin price, this amounts to a daily revenue of like $6. And the S19K Pro consumes 66 kilowatt hour per day. So at an electricity cost of 5 cents per kilowatt hour, the daily power cost would be like $3. So therefore, with the electricity priced at 5 cents per kilowatt hour, the S19K Pro would yield a daily net profit of $3, right? And if the electricity is free, the entire $6 would be profit, of course, right? And monthly, a single S19K Pro would generate profit of $90 or $360 with free electricity, yeah? And our second option involves mining Litecoin using the JingleMiner L7, which has a standard hash rate of 9.05 G. And given the current network difficulty, 1 G of hash rate can produce around 0.01357 Litecoin per day. And since Litecoin mining is combined, so it also yields nearly 50 Dogecoins along with other tokens. Setting aside the other tokens, Litecoin and the Dogecoin, are currently the most available. Using the JingleMiner L7, the daily production of Litecoin is worth a bit over $1. And at current prices, while Dogecoin production is valued at around $9. So therefore, the total daily profit from an L7 is roughly $10. And with electricity at 5 cents per kilowatt hour, the L7's daily power consumption of 76 kilowatt hours incurs a cost of $3.8 and resulting in a daily net profit of $6, right? And with free electricity, the full 10 is profit, of course. From this, okay, now we can already calculate that mining Bitcoin is more suitable under free electricity conditions. And this is because Bitcoin mining requires a higher electricity cost, Furthermore, considering the cost of equipment, the S19K Pro currently retails for like a couple $100 on the market, while the L7 is priced more than like 10 times higher. Therefore, in situations where electricity costs are low but still represent, prioritizing the L7 for Litecoin mining is the more practical choice. However, when electricity is entirely free and it becomes feasible to invest heavily in Bitcoin mining machines, such as the Antminer S19K Pro, right? Okay, that's it for today's video. And if you like it, or if you need anything from mining, visit JingleMining.com. And I'm Ethan. I will see you next time.